Vicini, guardate. Non era questa la nostra tappa, lo sai? Dei cascati. We are in Milford town. Alia brought us here. What if more?
Yeah. Very.
What if I draw you in the Te Anau?
I will like it much less.
As you can see, we were not very lucky with the weather, which is quite common for the area of Milford Sound. This part of the South Island is one of the wettest places on Earth. It rains here about 182 days a year. And though it sounds and frankly looks gloomy, it's exactly the reason why all the cliffs are wrapped with countless waterfalls, making it arguably even more spectacular in the rain. At least that's what we told ourselves when we were driving through a very rainy national park. So keep that in mind if you're planning a trip there, and as anyone who traveled to New Zealand, I will say bring layers, including the waterproof ones. There are multiple companies that offer cruises in Milford Sound, or its little lesser known neighbor Doubtful Sound. You can see the places from air, you can do an overnight cruise, you can do more hours on the boat having a meal in between, bigger yachts, smaller boats, you name it. One thing to keep in mind, if you're self-driving and you want to sleep as close to the attraction as possible, book months in advance. There's only one accommodation option, which is called Milford Sound Lodge, which has both cabins and camping sites, but they really book out early. There are more camping sites in the area of the national park, which are a little further away from the main attraction, and they get booked out on the Department of Conservation website, where you have to sign up and then book the camping site. General recommendation for a very popular and touristic place as Milford Sound: book in advance. We did not sleep in the area of the national park, as our traveling is usually very high paced, but that's how we do it. Go hard or go home.
Vieni un attimo.
Cosa?
Sorridete.
Perché? Ah,
Il nonno si sta.
Guida.
Il nonno si sta divertendo,
Ho fatto un percorso.